Hi everyone, welcome to Marvel Soft School Admin. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to access School Admin through LAN. LAN connection is not supported by our free licensed School Admin software. Only one login is allowed per system. This is our free licensed School Admin software. In the previous video shows how to download the software and how to install the software. Before showing how to access School Admin through LAN, we should check this basic configuration. The following are the default configurations that are automatically created when you install our software. Search for file and printer sharing ICMPv4 in. Double click on that, it should be the action is allow the connection. And search for School Admin server, double click on that, it should be action allow the connection, and that protocol, port number set as 8080 and it should be in allow the connections. Let me now show you how to connect to School Admin via LAN IP address. Check the School Admin installed system's IP address. Go to command prompt, type ipconfig and press enter button. Here you can see the system IP address. Let's assume this is your colleague's system, and you want to run School Admin on it. You should first check that the School Admin installed system can ping. Go to command prompt, type ping IP address T. Type ping 192.168.224.3t and click on enter. The system is successfully pinged. Now, go to the browser. In the search box type http://192.168.224.3:8080/schooladmin/ and press enter. Use the username and password admin to log in. Once you click the login button, the software cannot show the School Admin page, because this is a free edition. If you want to access School Admin in LAN, please contact MarvelSoft. LAN connections is supported in the purchased School Admin software. Now I will show you how the purchased licensed School Admin works through LAN. Go to the browser, in the search box type http://192.168.224.3:8080/schooladmin/ and press enter. This is our purchased School Admin software. Now it works through LAN. Using this purchased software, you can manage multiple user logins at the same time in different systems. Please contact our support team if you require this feature. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions about our School Admin Community Edition. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also press the bell icon for more video notifications.